This demonstration enables you to update price and quantity of the product listing. Hi, I am Seller Central Expert. After completion of this module, you will be able to list steps involved in updating price and quantity changes in the current inventory. Describe steps to update price and quantity for multiple products. Identify key components in the price and quantity template. Dheeraj, a registered seller with Amazon.in, would like to update price of one of his products listed on Amazon website. For this demonstration, Dheeraj is logged on to the sellercentral.amazon.in website and accessing his home page. To view your listed products on Amazon.in, expand the Inventory menu and then select the Manage Inventory option. To edit details of a product, identify a product and then update the price or quantity for the product. After you update the price or quantity, the Edit button automatically changes to the Save button. To confirm the changes, click the Save button. If you update price or quantity of multiple products, click the Save All button. If you wish to update price and quantity for a large number of products, you need to download the price quantity file. To access the price quantity file, expand Inventory menu, select Add Products via Upload and then click the Download Template button. To download the price quantity file, click the Price and Quantity link. To modify the price or quantity, on the Price Template tab, enter the SKU and the fields you choose to modify. You can use optional fields like Minimum Seller Allowed Price and Maximum Seller Allowed Price to help Amazon.in identify potential pricing errors. If you attempt to set your price for a product below your minimum allowable price or above your maximum allowable price, your offer becomes inactive and you are notified through an email. To remove the minimum or maximum price value, enter the value Delete in the respective field. You should not enter 0 or other numeric values. If you include this field but do not provide a value for an item, no change is made to your existing maximum price value. To indicate that an item is temporarily out of stock, set the quantity to 0. To upload the price quantity file to your account, expand the Inventory menu, select the Add Products via Upload option. Before you upload the price quantity file to your account, you need to save the file in your local hard drive as tab delimited text file. In Upload Inventory File section, choose Price and Quantity Files as the file type and then click the Upload Now button. Price and Quantity file assists you to update price and quantity of your listed products using the price quantity file. Indicate out-of-stock items.